Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am getting ready to go into a Habitat restore. I've been to them before, but I've never been to this one. If you're new to my channel, I go thrift shopping all the time and I love posting videos. So if that interests you, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go see what this restore has. This store looks so nice. There's so many things in here. Check out this tree that they have decorated for Easter. This looks really cool. I love these nutcrackers, but they are $500 each, and that's a lot. Over here is some furniture, and this is an antique sewing machine. That's really pretty. On this back wall, they have tons of records and VHS tapes. Does anyone still buy those? Over here is a bunch of CDs. This is a nice end table. Oh, and then this couch. My aunt used to have this same exact couch in her living room when I was a kid. It's giving me a lot of nostalgia. Some more furniture over here. There's a few desks and tables. I like the shape of this blue couch. I just don't like the blue fabric. This desk is missing a knob. It would probably be pretty easy to replace though. And the price is not bad. Looks like the chair goes with it, but it's sold separately. This is an old vintage record player. This thing is huge. $75. Feels like a reasonable price though. There are more couches over here. This gold one is really pretty. I like the pattern and the shape of it, but it's $300, which I feel like is a lot for a used couch. Here's another floral couch, dining room tables. Here is an antique piano. I can't play the piano, but I love this piece. It is so pretty. Over in this area, there's a lot of holiday decor. There's quite a bit of fall decor. This is a huge sectional. They have a lot of furniture here, more than I was expecting. A pair of plaid chairs and the ottoman to go with it. Another big sectional. See, this would be a nice couch, but it has these like holes in it. Here's a fabric headboard, and it's really nice, except it's got a bunch of scratches on it. Looks like someone probably had a cat that scratched this up, unfortunately. Lots of appliances and cookware and things like that over here in this little corner. I love how this book area is set up. It looks like a little library. They have so many books here. This would be a great place to find used books. I don't have enough time to look through them today, but I'll definitely be coming back, and the next time I come here, I'm going to look through these books. And there's even more books out here on the way over to the picture frames. I need to look through these picture frames because I am looking for some frames for my living room. Now we're at the other side of the store. There's lots of different knickknacks and things over here. I like this shell plate. And everything today is 20% off. There is just so much in here. It would probably take me a couple of hours to go through everything, but I'll definitely have to come back when I have a little bit more time. I love these two lamps on this table. They are $55 each though. Even with 20% off, I feel like that's a little bit high. They're probably worth it, just more than I'm wanting to spend. And over here on this table is all of their Christmas decor, and they have quite a bit. This gold sleigh would be a great decor piece. I also really like these bells. And they have a whole display of Americana items for 4th of July or Memorial Day. This section has a lot of glassware. There's plates, cups, different dishes, vases, all kinds of glass items over here. I'm not really sure what this is. It's so short and it's only $8, but maybe it was part of like a bigger piece. I'm not really sure. It does have some marks on it, but I feel like I could get those off with like a magic eraser. This china cabinet is a nice piece, and the dishes that are in it are really pretty as well. They have lots of different types of baskets. This would be a great place to get an Easter basket. I like the colors of this one, and it still has the tag on it. I really want to get an outdoor fan for our back porch. That's going to have to be a summer project though. There's some more furniture over here. This is a cute little white table. Here's a console, another little side table, desk, bookshelves. This white desk looks like it's been painted. I don't really like the black knobs though. I don't feel like they really go with this desk, but it's not hard to replace knobs on things. There's some decorative plates and dishes over here. I like this picture. It's very simple, but it doesn't match any of my decor. My battery died, so that's why the video ends kind of abruptly. The prices were a little bit higher than what you would find at like a typical Goodwill, but I love how the store is set up and laid out and organized. And I didn't find anything this time, but I'll definitely be going back. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.